Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I'm Nicole Chantel, and if you like beauty videos, 31 days of Halloween and Friday vlogs, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become a part of my makeup family. With all that being said, let's jump right into this video. So hello my loves, today I'm going to be doing this beautiful Valentine's look, and it's a collaboration with Joanna. I will have her channel link down below for you guys to go over and check out her video. She messaged me and said, hey, you want to do a collab together? I was like, sure, why not? And let's do a Valentine's Day look because it is the day before Valentine's Day. So I'm going to go ahead, pop right into this video, show you how I created this look. Don't forget to go over and check out Joanna's video as well and subscribe to her channel. Show her some love. Let her know that you guys came from my channel over to hers. And let's jump into this Valentine's Day look.
Time stops when I'm falling for you. The world stops spinning. My head is spinning too. Time stops when I'm falling for you.
First, I'm going to go in with the concealer, and I'm going to be applying this all over my lid. Then with my Sigma Taper Blending Brush E40, I am going to go in with the shade Beer, and I'm just going to dust this all over my lid to set that concealer. The next shade I'm going to go in with is Love Bite, and I'm taking my Marc Jacobs The Crease Brush, and I'm just going to apply this into my crease and kind of go in a circular motion. Just to blend that out, I'm going to go back in with the shade Beer with my Sigma Taper Blending Brush, and I'm just going to slightly buff that over the shade Love Bite and kind of blend the two together. I'm going to take my MAC 248 brush, and I'm taking the shade Lace, and I'm going to be applying that all over my lid. Now with my Morphe M560 brush, I am going to go back in with the shade Love Bite, and I'm just going to apply this into my lower lash line. My Sigma Taper Blending Brush E40, I am going to go in with the shade Spanked, and I'm just going to buff that right on over the shade Love Bite and blend the two together. Now with my finger, I am going to go in with the shade Daydream. Just a bit of highlight into the inner corner of my eye. I am going to go back in with the shade Daydream, and I am going to be applying it with my Morphe M560 brush. So you guys, I really hope that you enjoy the final look that I created for Valentine's Day. And if you guys go ahead and recreate this look, definitely tag me over on Instagram at NicoleChantel32. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Happy Valentine's Day. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.